Okay, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to rate, review, and subscribe to Smart Drug Smarts in iTunes. So you can see here we're on the Smart Drug Smarts website. If you scroll down in the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a subscribe via iTunes button. What that will do is that will take you directly to the Smart Drug Smarts page within iTunes on the internet. And then you can click View in iTunes, and it will automatically open up your iTunes browser straight to the Smart Drug Smarts page. So once you get here, you'll see, there's already some ratings and reviews and some related shows, that kind of thing. The first thing you're going to want to do is click subscribe. Once you do that, you can come down here to write a review, and so you can give it a title and write your review and click to rate, and then you can submit, and then it'll give you an opportunity to put in your name or your title, whatever you want it to be called, whoever the rating and review is from. So thank you. It's really simple, takes about a couple seconds of your time, and is really helpful for the show, so really appreciate it. And we always look forward to looking over the reviews and seeing how we can improve the show. So, all right, have a fantastic day.